Hello YouTube, this is 10 Basket, and welcome to System Test 28. So as you can see here, I have this thing. It's a relay timer module I got back in like 2018 to try to do Marchtime. But yeah, it didn't work so well. Pull the alarm. 3, 2, 1. Doesn't work well now, but I know people want to see Marchtime, so I finally found where this was, and I have this very shoddy setup to power it. But it's Marchtime, I guess. Out here, I have the 9833, that thing, the HG, this. I have my sounder, my cedar strobe. Glad I'm wearing slippers. That would have hurt. I have the strobe. I have the bell. Wow, I am forgetting everything today. I have the true alert. So I guess without further ado, gonna pull the alarm. Yeah, it's kind of lame right now, but I'm not pushing hard enough. There we go. Yeah, the reason why the light's on when the horns are off is because I set it on this, because I set it to normally close, so the supervision will still go through when it's off. It's not how you're supposed to do it, but why do I care? It's just a hobby system. Not sure if you're able to hear it, but the BPM does change. Hey. And this. Okay. There. Okay, and if you're wondering why I just, don't make the pulses a little longer, here's the thing. I think this potentiometer is either like, you see just like, one thing is like super, like, off pulse is super slow. They're just turn it a bit, and then it just is like, so it just skips. The like, super long. I don't get it. Jeez, my voice is still cracking. I know how to do this with one hand. You know what? Let's do the MS6. Just for the hell of it. See? Look! See? It's like... yeah. I mean, it's not perfect, but for a video, I'd say it's okay. So, this has been System Test 28, Handbasket, signing off.